Hey everyone, it is Tammy and it is after work on Wednesday and I am actually headed to Hobby Lobby. I decided that I wanted to go there and check out what they have on sale. I know that their yarn is on sale. I know I don't need any yarn, but I'm going to look at it anyway because I really like Hobby Lobby's yarn selection. And then I know that my friend Tracy got a really cute planner, although I'm really not interested in a planner. I love her planner. It has little cacti all over it. It's adorable, but I'm not in the market for a planner, but I might like to look at some of the new stuff and see what they have. But I'm hopefully going to be doing a haul when I get home of some of the things, or of all of the things that I purchased. And why did I go this way? Wah. That was a dumb move on my part. And it just started to rain, and it looks like it's gonna rain good. Gonna rain good. I don't even know what that means exactly. Looks like it's going to be a big rain is what I mean. Okay, I am just going to do a U-turn here because I had no business turning this way because this road is closed and I know it, but I'm going north instead of south, so I can't get through on those neighborhoods. There's probably a way to get through on that neighborhood, but I don't know it, so I'm just not even going to go that way because I know that there's a way right down here past my house that I can go. So that's what I'm going to do. Oh man, my hair looks goofy. It's been a long day, but it's all right. And Katie is a camp counselor, so she's out there in the rain right now. Hopefully they're undercover. And it doesn't look like it's going to rain for very long, but whatever they're doing could be messed up depending on what they had planned right now. And I need to pick her up from work today because she usually has a ride, but they have to take turns doing like long stay, which means, or extended stay, I don't know what they call it. She's called it long stay, where the kids stay a little longer, like the parents pay a little more, and the kids can stay, I think, an hour later. So that means that the camp counselors have to periodically stay an hour longer. So her ride is staying an hour longer for today. So she was gonna stay and play volleyball, but with this weather, she is not. And it's warm too. It's 83 according to my car. Looking in the mirror, I kind of look like poo today. Oh well. I don't even care. And tomorrow at work we have I have a long meeting. We do this thing called All Team Experience, and everyone goes and all of the leaders are there, and it's kind of a lot of fun. We did it last year, and then we're going to be doing it again this year. And there's different sessions, so you can pick which session you go to. And I'm going tomorrow morning to my session, so that will be fun. Gosh, I'm going to have to make a run for it in the Hobby Lobby. It's like really coming down. Wow. It wasn't raining at all when I left, you guys saw, and then now it's pouring. I should turn this the other way so you guys can see. Raining, raining, raining. I don't know if you guys can hear me or not, but I am going to stop this now because I feel like I have to yell over the rain, and I will be back. Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and it is Thursday now. Sorry I didn't finish vlogging yesterday because of the rain, and then I got to Hobby Lobby and I looked around there and I ended up buying yarn, and that is really all that I bought. I did buy a set of needles, so I'm not going to show you the yarn, but I bought 101 skeins of yarn, and I need yarn like I need a hole in the head. But one thing that I did that I thought that was a good idea was because they had yarn on sale. Like the most I spent on a skein was $1.99, and so I ended up spending close to $200. It was less than that, so you can see that I did a good job on the price of the yarn. But I bought multiples of the same color in lots of the yarn, so I bought like between 5 and 12 skeins of the same color. That way I can make something bigger than what I've been doing. Like I can make a blanket or something like that, I'm thinking. So that's what that is for. And I won't do a yarn haul or whatever, just because it's just yarn, and you guys, I know that not everybody is interested in that, but I have really been loving knitting, and I did make myself a little sweater thing. It's like a little shawl maybe that you put your arms in, and then now I'm working on a little lap blanket because in the summertime, sometimes when it's cooler outside and we have the air conditioning on, I get chilly, and I can use this little lap blanket. I have all sorts of blankets at home. I don't necessarily need any, but I just wanted to do it, so I'm working on that. And then it's fun to do. So I got some, if any of you guys are interested, if you go to Lion Brand or lionyarn.com, something like that, just Google Lion Yarn, and they have free projects that you can download and get the instructions for. And then also Craftsy has some, and so does, oh goodness, there's another knitting site that you can go to. There's probably, if you guys are knitters or crocheters or whatever, you probably know, but there are free patterns that you can get. So I was looking at some of those and I downloaded a few, so I might print them, or I might just use them off of my computer. Lots of times I can transfer them so that they're in the Kindle format, and then I can put them all in my Kindle and just use that, or it's an iPad, but I can use that to view my pattern, which is kind of nice. Sometimes I like having it on paper so I can do the little notches to know what row I'm on or whatever. And I also have a row counter, but that's kind of a pain. My digital row counter doesn't seem to work very well, in that it will skip rows sometimes, and then my manual one is not as easy just because you have to remember to change it every row. So I don't know, I'm a mess. I don't use any of them well. There are things to use, I'm just not a good user of them. So sometimes what I like best is just a pencil notch and just mark it on a piece of paper so I know where I'm at. But so that's my big vlog right now, or my big thing right now. I'm probably, tonight I have to pick up Katie, which is what I will be doing here very soon, and then I need to go to Kroger and pick up our groceries, and then I plan on knitting and possibly doing a plan with me. So yeah, that's my fun evening. I also need to do the dishes, just empty the dishwasher. I might ask Katie to do it. And then I'd like to vacuum too. So we'll see what all I get done tonight. But that's my big plans. Woohoo! Hope you guys are having a good day and a happy week. And I will let you guys go. I think I need some coffee. Maybe I'll have some when I get home. But I will talk with you all soon. Bye-bye.